Hello and welcome to Spice and Simplicity with Julie, where we make delicious meals effortlessly. Guess what we are making today? No? Yes, you're making black soup. This is originally from the Esan tribe of Edo State. This is not the type of soup you find in parties. This is rich, nutritious soup, full of flavor that goes with any type of swallow, or even sometimes with rice. I've used it with rice. Very good. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the ingredients. The ingredients are palm nut cream, scent leaf, bitter leaf. This is pumpkin leaf, we call it ugu. And we have the purple onion with habanero peppers. These will be blended with the vegetables. And for the protein, we have a goat meat, mackerel fish, and stockfish. For the dried ingredients, we have crayfish, Jemmy soup seasoning, locust bean, this one we call it ogiri, dawa dawa, and our Eden fruits. Salt to taste. First we add our palm nut cream into my pot of meat stock, a cup of meat stock. If you want to learn how to make the meat stock, be sure to watch my previous videos on how I made meat stock. Allow this to cook for 20 minutes on medium heat. While waiting, let's blend our vegetables, peppers and onion. So this is bitter leaves. These are dried bitter leaves that to soak for about an hour. I'll make another video to show you guys how to do that. This is scent leaf. We call it inchangu. This is my own ingredients. This is pumpkin leaves. This is optional, but I love it. And my black soup. Then onion, habanero peppers, blend everything together. It's 20 minutes now. Let's add our dried ingredients. Salt to taste. If you've watched to this point, that means you're enjoying the process. It doesn't cost money to subscribe. And remember to click on the notification bell so you can be receiving these great recipes. I'll add meat, stockfish, and I'll add my mackerel fish. It's 10 minutes now. We'll add our blended vegetables. We'll allow this to cook for about 15 minutes. Then we'll taste for salt. Our black soup is ready to be served. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.